Hello everyone, welcome to our Azure Lab tutorial where we'll explore the powerful world of cloud storage using Azure Blob Storage. In today's session, we'll guide you through the process of creating and managing storage blobs. But before you move on with the session, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss any update from us. So before we jump into the technical details, let's quickly discuss what is Azure Storage Blob. So in Azure, think of storage blob like these digital containers where you can store all your stuff like files, documents, whatever you have got. They help handle big loads of data, whether it's pictures, videos, or just a bunch of text files. Many organizations use them because they're the best storage solutions because they're scalable, durable, and can hold a ton of data. Plus, you can access your blobs from pretty much anywhere on the planet using just a simple web link. Now, the objective of creating a lab based on Azure Storage Blob is to set up a hands-on learning environment where you and your team can explore the capabilities of Azure Storage Blobs in real-world scenario. This will allow you to understand how to utilize Azure Storage Blobs for scalable, durable, and easily accessible storage. Now let's create a blob to explore its scalability and durability. Imagine that you're working for a company that needs to securely store a large number of documents including text files, PDFs, and spreadsheets. The company requires a storage solution that is both durable and scalable and can be easily accessed by employees across various locations. To fulfill these needs, you will set up an Azure Blob Storage solution that ensures secure document management with the necessary scalability, durability, and ease of access. Now, these are the requirements provided by the company to set up an Azure Storage Blob. You can pause the video and take a look at these requirements because we'll be using these details in our lab. So are you ready to unlock the potential of Azure Blob Storage? Join us in our hands-on demo where we'll guide you through the creation of scalable and durable storage solutions tailored to meet the needs of your company. Don't miss out on the complete learning experience. Head over now.